In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate text from images using Google Gemini. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our Gemini app. And from here, we are going to click on the bottom right camera icon because we want to select the image that we want to translate. So we click on this camera icon. From here, we click on the bottom left gallery icon. And in here, we are going to select our image. And in my case, it is this image. It is about an insect and the text in it is in Dutch. And I want to translate this text into English for you guys to be able to read this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on attach at the bottom right. And from here, we can ask Gemini what to do with this image. And I'm going to say, translate this into English. And when you're ready, you just basically click on send. And when you want to translate this in another language, you basically type that language. So for now, we click on send. And as you can see, it says here is the English translation of the Dutch text. And I can confirm that it is right, basically. So that is basically how you translate text from images using Google Gemini. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And then I would say, until next time.